Greetings everyone! Here is another video from Lightning Ridge. This video takes us on the green car door self-drive tour. I've previously done the yellow and the red door tours. However, this drive takes you through an area heavy with some sedimentary rock called Ironstone. It contains over 15% iron, and as you can see later on the gravel roads, it's quite red in color. More to the point, the area attracts a lot of lightning given the iron content, so be aware if the conditions aren't the best. The endpoint of this course is the Nettleton First Shaft Lookout. It's where Charles Waterhouse Nettleton sunk the first mining shaft looking for opals back in 1902. He is considered the founder of the black opal industry in this area. You will also discover a rock maze created by 4 people some time ago. Try to find your way around it, and perhaps you can go to the beer can house and write into the visitor book. You are warned not to tamper with the rock maze, as it's considered a spiritual maze, and only bad luck can occur if you misalign the rocks. The beer can house is pretty amazing, as it has been built using bottles and glasses in the walls. It's especially impressive during sunset, as the sun shines through the bottles into the house. Finally, this is a fantastic place to watch a sunset, as the horizon is pretty clear, which gives you an unobstructed view of the sun sinking into the ground across the land. I will release another video next week with some handheld footage and drone footage from this area, and even some sunset photos as well, so look out for that.